Rule 13. Uncountable nouns of Concord. Countable nouns are nouns that can be quantified in units and numbers. That is, are nouns that can be counted, e.g., chairs, tables, phones, and so forth. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be quantified in units and numbers. Examples: water, information, equipment. All uncountable nouns will avoid s at the back. It is wrong to use any of these words below: information, clothes, equipment, furnitures, machineries, datas, advices, evidences, wealth, and so forth. Instead, you say a piece of information, evidence, data, clothes, equipment, advice, and so on. It is wrong to say machineries. Instead, you say a machine or two machines. The police work hard, not works, but that policeman, not policeman, works, not work hard. Police and policemen are collective nouns. That is why they attract a plural verb from the 7th rule. But policeman is not a collective noun, but a singular noun, hence a singular verb. Cattle give, not gives bad odor, and a cow gives bad odor. Aircraft make, not makes traveling easier, but that chopper, airbus, or airplane makes traveling easier. Pluralia Tantums are nouns that come in plural forms. Some of these words have final s, while some do not. However, whenever any of the following forms appear, it must be followed by a singular verb. School subjects like mathematics, economics, civics, physics, statistics, and so forth. You can see that all of the words end with s, but it does not show plurality. Games words like darts, snakes and ladders, draughts, billiards, balls and skittles, and so forth all end with s, but do not show plurality. Diseases words like measles, tuberculosis, shingles, mumps, and so forth all end with s, but do not show plurality. Other words like titles, news, series, names, and so forth all end with s, but do not show plurality. Examples: the series of incidents makes, not make me shudder. The means of transport, hastens, not hasting traveling. Note that some nouns do not appear as singular at all, but as plurals, and they often attract plural verbs. All these nouns, not verbs, cannot appear without s, and hence they attract plural verbs. Examples: his manners are not his good. The remains of the boy have not has been buried. Double title subject concord. When two subjects are joined together by and, but the two subjects refer to only one person or thing, a singular verb should be used. Example: our principal and mathematics teacher knows me. Our principal is also our mathematics teacher. Example 2. Our principal and the mathematics teacher. This is quite different from the first sentence because the principal and the mathematics teacher are two different subjects because of the use of the mathematics teacher. Rule 16. Co-ordinate Concord. When two subjects are joined together by and, the verb to be used should be plural. Examples: James and John are not is here. Elizabeth and Johnson know not knows me. Rule 17. Categorization Concord. When a collective name denoting category, not a collective noun, is used, the verb to be used must be plural. The verb to be used should be plural. Examples: the young are not is disobedient. The weak are not is left to their fate. The poor need help, not needs helps from the government. Rule 18. Plural number concord. When amount or unit is mentioned in a statement, units such as 5,000, 300%, 20 meters, 5 times, and so on, the next verb must be singular. Examples: 2 pounds of flour is not too few to bake a cake. 10% of my earnings not go to my wife. Rule 19. Mathematical fact. When mathematical facts are used, such as subtraction, multiplication, addition, division, and so forth, the verb will be any of singular and plural. That is, a singular or plural verb can be used when mathematical facts are used.
Examples: 10 plus 10 is or are. Are and is are both correct. 20. 10 multiplied by 2 is or are 20. Both singular and plural are correct. Rule 20. Every plus plural number concord. When every precedes a plural, the next verb is plural. Examples: every 10 liters of oil bought, not comes with a bonus of an extra liter. But when every appears without any plural number, the verb is singular. Examples: every boy, not boys, likes girls. Every man, not men, likes football. When and joins two or more subjects with every or each, the verb should be singular. Examples: every man and woman speaks, not speak good English here. Every student and teacher comes, not come to school early. Rule 21. Most or much concord. When most is used, the verb will either be singular or plural, depending on whether the referent is a countable or uncountable noun. Examples: most of the boys, countable noun, are tall. Most of the time, uncountable noun. John has, not have, always been there for her. When much is used in a statement, the verb to be used must be singular. Example: much of the water has, not have, been spilled. Rule 22. All concord. When all appears, it means either everything or all the people. When all means everything, the verb to be used should be singular. But when all means all the people, the verb to be used should be plural. Example 1. All are already seated in the hall. All means all the people are already seated in the hall. Hence, a plural verb are is used. Example 2. All is well with me. In the above sentence, all means everything. Hence, a singular verb is used. When all but is used, the following verb should be plural. Example 1. All but John are, not is, on the bus. That means only John is absent. Rule 23. Either or neither concord. When either or neither joins two singular nouns together, the following verb should be singular. Examples: either John or Jackson knows, not know me. Neither Mary nor her friend was, not were here. But when either or neither joins two subjects, one singular and the other plural, the verb should be chosen by considering the nearer of the two subjects. Examples: either James or his friends know me. Friends is nearer to the verb gap than it is near James. These rules also apply when but or but even join two subjects. Examples: not only Shola, but even teachers laugh in school. Teachers is nearer to the verb gap than it is to Shola. Hence, you use a singular verb. Example 2. Not Lawrence, but James speaks good English. James is nearer to the verb gap than it is to Lawrence. Hence, you use a singular verb. Rule 24. Each and one of Concord. When each appears in Concord, a singular noun plus a singular verb will be chosen. Example: each boy, not boys, has a car. But when each of or one of appears, the next noun should be plural, but the next verb should be singular. Example: each of the candidates, not candidate, stands, not stand a good chance to win a scholarship.